Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Start with a custom shape tool to create a glowing circular emblem. Select a thick circular shape for the outer ring. Position it centrally as your core structure. Scale it large enough to give presence. Now add another circle inside for layering. Lower its opacity for depth. Add a new gradient fill to the outer ring. Apply a crisp stroke for clarity. Center align both circles. Add an outer glow effect. Use screen or lighting for blending. Now adjust glow softness for balance. Fine tune spacing between rings. Smooth the visual transition. Finalize once the emblem radiates evenly.